Hello and welcome. And I just want to let you know that before I created this video, I did steps 1 and 2 of the Adamantine Rejuvenation Process to get me in my higher consciousness and to let my soul give me what I needed to do a good job. And so what's happening here is I'm going to bring you through every step in the process, since it is so important to begin your training with going through it at least once, and just do the best you can as we go through it. Pause, take a break, and know that you don't have to do it perfectly. You just have to perform it. And here we go. The Adamantine Rejuvenation Process, how to step by step. Step 1. I do the CEST Truth Soul Personal Intention Activation. Let's begin. Start here at the top and go down to the end. I am saying this out loud or to myself. My CEST Truth Soul Personal Intention is doing my Adamantine Rejuvenation Process. I am doing this. I do CEST Truth Soul Thymus Complex Breathing. How to step by step. I am breathing my truth soul energies into my truth soul thymus complex, which is halfway between my truth throat chakra and my truth heart chakra. I am massaging my thymus complex. I am imagining this. My truth soul energies easily and enjoyably flowing into my truth soul thymus complex. Imagining me easily and enjoyably knowing, learning, and remembering. I do this for 1 to 3 times, or as long as my truth soul intuition tells me. I am imagining this. I do CEST Truth Soul imagining for 1 breath. Pardon me. I am imagining my Adamantine Rejuvenation Process. I do this imagining for 1 to 3 times, or for as long as my truth soul intuition tells me. End. I'm now congratulating myself, acknowledging myself, giving myself positive reinforcement. And now I am going to the part 1, how to step by step of the next step. Step 2. I do the CEST Truth Soul Full Spectrum Alignment. Let's begin. Start here at the top and go down to the end. I am doing this. Truth Soul Thymus Complex Breathing. How to step by step. I am breathing my true soul into my truth thymus complex, which is halfway between my truth throat chakra and heart chakra. I am inhaling for 3 seconds into my truth spiritual heart, filling my truth thymus complex. When I inhale for 3 seconds, I am now holding for 6 seconds. If I like, I am massaging my truth thymus complex, which is halfway between my truth throat chakra and heart chakra. Now I am exhaling for 9 seconds. I do this truth soul thymus complex breathing for 1 to 3 times, or for as long as my truth soul intuition tells me. I am saying this out loud or to myself. I am, with my truth soul, unifying with my truth soul, my truth soul, and my truth innate self, and my truth adamantine particles flow, body, spirit, and my truth I am blueprint of perfect health, and my truth akashic harvesting and mining, and my truth whole being, creating my truth soul unified self. For me, acting, being, creating, doing, imagining, intending, knowing, learning, remembering, using, with my truth soul unified self, and my truth whole being. For my cessed truth soul personal intention or intentions, and for clearing my truth whole being of anything involuntary, negative, and non-beneficial, and for unconditionally loving, forgiving, and grateful for myself and my truth whole being. I love me, tee-hee-hee. I love me, tee-hee-hee. I am that I am. I am saying this for 1 to 3 times, or for as long as my truth soul intuition tells me. I am doing this. I am truth soul humming. And truth soul imagining at the same time. How to step by step. I am breathing my truth soul into my truth thymus complex, halfway between my truth throat chakra and heart chakra, and I am massaging my thymus complex, or tapping, or both. I am inhaling for 3 seconds into my truth sacred heart, filling my truth sacred heart. I am truth soul tapping, massaging my truth sacred heart continuously, lovingly. After my inhale, I am holding for 6 seconds. And I am exhaling for 9 seconds. Or until I cannot exhale anymore. Or for as long as my true soul intuition tells me. I am imagining this, my CEST truth soul full spectrum alignment, and the success of my CEST truth soul personal intention or intentions. I am doing this humming and imagining. I do this for 1 to 3 times, or for as long as my truth soul intuition tells me. And congratulate yourself. Accept yourself. Now go to the part 1, how to step by step of step 3. Step 3. I do the CEST truth soul adamantine particles and truth adamantine particle flow activation. Let's begin. Start here at the top and go down to the end. I am doing this. CEST truth soul thymus complex breathing. How to step by step. I am breathing my truth soul into my truth thymus complex. I am inhaling for 3 seconds into my true spiritual heart and my true sacred heart, filling my truth thymus complex. After my inhale, I'm holding for 6 seconds, imagining my truth sacred heart opening to my truth adamantine particle flow. Imagining my truth sacred heart opening to my truth adamantine particle flow. And I'm exhaling for 9 seconds. I do this for 1 to 3 times, or for as long as my true soul intuition tells me. I am saying this out loud or to myself. I am with my truth soul, intending and imagining easily and enjoyably, resonating, vibrating my truth's sacred heart, creating my truth's sacred love from my truth's sacred heart, and attracting and radiating my truth adamantine particles. I am that I am. I am doing this. I am imagining my adamantine rejuvenation process already succeeding. I do this imagining for 1 to 3 times, or for as long as my truth soul intuition tells me. And congratulations. Congratulate yourself. Acknowledge yourself. Love yourself. Now go to the part 1 how to, step by step, of step 4.